And welcome to the video, guys. So as we start a machine learning series, the first question is, what is machine learning? I'm going to basically keep this answer as simple and to the point while I answer everything as well and provide information. Now, first let's go back to what is learning. Now, learning is basically to gain knowledge or understanding of a skill by studying through instructions or experience. Now, we basically learn by a set of facts, or we learn how to do something, or we improve something we already know as well. Now, why should we learn? Basically, human expertise does not exist. Then we learn. Humans are unable to explain the expertise. For example, speech recognition. This is where learning comes in the way. Solution changes in time, and solution needs to be adapted to particular cases. Example, biometrics. So this is where the learn part comes in machine learning. Now, why do we need machine learning? Basically, the objective is to build an intelligent system which can think like humans and should be adaptive in nature. To build an AI system, we build models, and these models are based on AI, machine learning techniques, and so on. Now, basically, an example is that why do we need machine learning? For example, let's take a store like Costco or Walmart, and sometimes we had these deals put up like with our with a tea bag you get soap free. All right, basically they during these transactions they see, okay, there's a stove, people have purchased with tea, they have purchased soaps as well. So that's when they merge the two and they make a deal as well. All right, so kinds of problems that we face are decision making problems, optimization problems. All right, and to provide a solution, basically we train our model by using a data set. All right, and there's basically a test set and there's a training set. Now, basically, you get a data set and you divide that into training and test. You give 80% to training to train your model, and the remaining 20%, let's say that's a test set. So, with that, you basically check how accurate your model is turned out to be. Now, by definition, a machine learning is basically a computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some class of task T and performance measure P if its performance at tasks in T as measured by P improves with experience. Now, this is a lot of mumbo jumbo. So, just to keep it as simple, machine learning basically predicts, it provides information based on past data, and you basically feed the machine with some data and it's going to give you an output in return. All right. Now, why it's so important? Because some tasks cannot be defined well except by examples. Example, like you see recognizing people, therefore we need machine learning. Now, correlations can be hidden within large amounts of data. Machine learning, now basically by this point, there's that the data, some data is hidden, some data that humans cannot actually find. The machine finds certain patterns and they bring it forward to us and say, here's the data that you couldn't find, and we did that. So that's what machine learning is also. And designers often produce machines that do not work as well in a desired in the environments in which they are used. So this is the first part of machine learning. And in the next part, we're going to go ahead with the techniques of machine learning and we'll go a bit in a slight detail as well. All right. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions, please drop a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer that. Thank you.